Today I'd like to talk about my car. Now, this is Ariana. Ariana is a 1995 Dodge Intrepid. She's an angel, and she is a sanctuary. Because why should we not create a place, a sanctuary, a peace and respite where we go to every day? You spend so much time in your car every day. But do you feel relaxed when you're in your car? Do you feel at home? Do you feel at peace when you're in your car? You drive back and forth to work every day. But do you feel like you've gained something every time you walked into the doors of your car? Well, for me, I've created this environment that it feels like a sanctuary. That when anybody enters this car, that they feel relaxed, that they feel at ease, because it is a place of relaxation, and it's a place of love. I'll give you a glimpse real fast of the car. Yeah, it's a place of peace and relaxation. Oh, I also have this, these little buttons. Just little things that make me feel happy and bring remembrance. And by having these things in my car, these tchotchke is what some people call them, I have, oh, and there's my friend. He's got a nice car too. As I was saying, but the point of this is that we can make anywhere we are a sanctuary, a place of peace and respite. And this is the external world, my car, but it's a representation of my internal mind and how I feel and the things that I love and kind of mean something to me. So I express them outwardly into this physical reality. So I put crystals and have little dream catchers and things like that because they mean something to me. And they help me find peace, and so that's why I put them out there, you know. So basically, you know, it's up to you to create a place that you feel comfortable, that you can relax in and find peace of mind. And this can be your room, this can be your car, this can be your office space, or just a little sanctuary outside. But to be able to express outwardly into the physical world around you peace, passion, and what you love and what you care about and what has meaning to you, you create an environment around you that is conducive to your spiritual growth, to your consciousness and awareness, to your health, to rejuvenation, and just to being yourself and getting to express yourself. And that's one of the main reasons we're here, is to find our full expression in this life. So, I wish you all the best, praying you all, and grateful you could meet Ariana today, and, you know, wishing her all the best as well. So, peace, blessings, namaste, love you. Have a good day.